Good morning, beautiful people. Scott here from my Total Life Happiness channel. How are you today? This channel is dedicated to helping people make money online, especially affiliate marketers, make their first dollar online. So today's video, we're going to go into how to make money uploading or re-uploading YouTube videos. So this is a little technique that some people don't use. So anyway, let's before we get into it, make sure you subscribe and smash the like button and hit the bell notification. Make sure that you're notified of future videos. So I make them weekly, and that way you won't miss out. Anyway, without any further ado, let's dive into the training. Now, before you ask, can we do this? Will YouTube let you do this? Yes, they will. But also, if you're a new channel, before you can start making money, you need to become eligible. And what that means is that you need over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours, so public watch hours. So, and it doesn't take that long. I'll show you my channel quickly. I started this one in May. I really started it probably in June, July, August. I actually started creating videos for it, so 2 months of just looking around and doing nothing, and then I started creating videos. Now I try to create one video a day. You may not have the time to do that, so the main thing is to be consistent. So 2-3 times a week, something like that, will still work. I just wanted to get things moving faster, so I decided to create more content. That is all. But within about 4 months, I've got 1.5, almost 1.6 thousand subscribers. So, and watch hours, I'm about halfway. So we're getting there. So, but it will take time. It's not going to happen overnight. But once you're partnered, then you can make money. Now, as I get back to that question before, because people will ask, are we allowed to do it? And the question is yes, because YouTube, this is in YouTube help, as you can see. What it's called Creative Commons. So Creative Commons license is when original content creators upload their videos, they tick a little box saying yes, they allow Creative Commons. That lets people like you and me to go and use their videos. And the next question is, can we actually monetize it? And the question is yes. So here you can monetize royalty-free or Creative Commons content if the license agreement grants you rights to use it commercially. So you just got to read through their blurb, just make sure it's okay. If they say it's okay, then you can go for it. So now, how do we do that? What we do is, so once you've set up your channel, and it works any niche, it doesn't matter what channel you have. I just happen to be in the make money online space. So say if I type in affiliate marketing, which is something I focus on. So affiliate marketing, it'll bring up a whole bunch of videos ranking from top to bottom. Now we can't use these ones as per se, but we need to go and filter our search. So we go to filter, and then we come across to here, down to Creative Commons. Now we click on that. Now that filters out what is in the Creative Commons. And we can use any of these videos that you feel suits your needs. Now personally, because I have a brand which is my face, I try not to confuse people by using someone else's face on the channel, because that just confuses people. So, but there's heaps of videos that people have made without using their face, either slideshows or videos or whatever. So just scroll down till you find one that works for you, and the other option is filter again if you want to find it via a view count, so the most popular, or by date. So they're the options you can go for. I personally try not to go for popular videos. but make sure the content is good. If the content's good, then I will choose one of those videos instead. Now, how do we download a video is the next question, I guess. I use a software program called 4K Video Downloader. Now, this is free software. You can download it for free. There's heaps out there. So just Google video downloaders and a whole bunch will pop up. But I like this one better, so I use this one here. So then it's just a matter of taking the video. We'll go find a video. Here's a video. This will do. We'll stop that and use that URL there, and you just pop that into the address bar. So I'll show you. Once you download your video downloader, it'll come up something like this, and then all you do is a matter of popping it into copy that. Silly. Alright, copy that, and then it's just a matter of popping it into this link, and then it'll download it. Then you save it to whatever folder you save it to. And if you want to edit it, you can edit it. If you don't want to edit it, that's fine too. Then it's purely up to you. But the key is it gives you options. So if you don't like being on camera, you can upload other videos, or you can mix them up. Like I use these videos if I'm running short of time. Stuff happens in life. You don't always have time to sit in front of a camera for 4 to 5 hours a day and play around. I try to limit my time to 2 hours, and I get a video done in 2 hours, giddy up, and then I'm happy. But if I'm running out of time, sometimes stuff happens, and it's a lot quicker to find a video already created, re-upload that, and then you're sort of meeting your requirements for the YouTube algorithm. But it's up to you. I generally create most of my own content, but there's options. There's options, and why not use them? Anyway, that is it really. That's just a little quick video today, but that is a opportunity out there for people to make money. It's legal, you can do it, and it'll get you started. If you're worried about creating videos, at least it gets you started and gets you on the right track. You may feel comfortable down the track being on camera yourself. It just takes time, but sitting around doing nothing is not going to get anything started. So you need momentum, and you need to get started. Now that is it. So if you liked this little video, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, hit the bell notification. I think it is over there somewhere around there in the corner, and that way you'll be notified of future videos that I'll be, and you won't miss out. That is it. You have a super day, and I will see you in the next video.